soon will stand tall. Hammer strikes beneath an open sky, shared intention steady as they try, each heart offering a piece of home. No one here is building alone. Step by step the walls begin to grow, shaped by kindness only villages know. Every hand a gift upon the land, every soul connected where they stand. A simple act becomes something more, a bond that settles deep into